Hello there you beautiful people, and welcome to this video where we're going to be getting you set up with VirtualBox on your computer. Now VirtualBox is an amazing piece of software that allows you to run what are called virtual machines on your computer. Now virtual machines, other than having a totally awesome sounding name, allow you to run virtual computers inside your computer without affecting your actual computer. So they are perfect for running things like new operating systems and trying them out without affecting the way that your current computer works. So running a virtual machine through VirtualBox is going to create the perfect playground for us to try out the Linux operating system without us affecting the way that your actual computer works, so nothing can actually go wrong. So it's the perfect playground for us to try out stuff with. So what I want you to do is I want you to head over to the VirtualBox website, which is www.virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. I've put a link in the resources section for this video, or you could just head over to your favorite search engine and just search for VirtualBox download, and it will likely be the first link that comes up. And when you click it, you'll come to a page like this. Okay, now here you'll find some links to some specific executable installer files that I want you to download. Okay, so if you're on Windows, I want you to click Windows hosts. If you're on Mac, I want you to click OS 10 hosts. Okay, and if you're already on Linux, you basically don't need to install Linux, do you? So you can just skip this entire section and move on to actual learning stuff. But here we are. If you're on Windows, click Windows. If you're on Mac, click OS 10. But I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click that, and it's going to download and install a file here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just save that in my downloads folder, but you can save that wherever is best for you. But I'm going to save that in my downloads folder, and it's going to download an installer that's going to install VirtualBox for us. Okay, so when that's gone ahead and downloaded, which should be in just about 2 seconds or so. There we are. It's downloaded. I'm going to click that, or head over to my downloads folder and double click that however I wish. So I could double click that. It's going to be the same thing. And it's going to open up this installer wizard, which we're just going to basically power through, guys. So I'm just going to click next here. Going to click next again, and then it'll ask you, where do you want to put some shortcuts? I'm just going to have a shortcut in my start menu and on the desktop, but I don't really want one in the quick launch bar. But make sure you have this one here. Make sure whatever you choose, just don't uncheck register file associations. Just leave that with a tick. Okay, that must stay the same, but you play around with the others depending on how you want your system set up. Where do you want the shortcuts? It doesn't really matter. You can remove them anyway, but you know, your preference. Then go ahead and click next. It's going to say, hey, we might need to access your network interface. Just say yes, don't worry about that whatsoever, and click install. It might give other pop-ups. Go ahead and click yes to any pop-ups that come up, or click install, or just give it permission. Whatever it needs, just go ahead and do it. It's just going to be giving VirtualBox the ability to have your virtual machines access the internet, which is usually a useful function. So just click yes to whatever it asks for, and then it will come to the installation complete screen. And there'll be a tick box here that says start VirtualBox after installation. Make sure that has a tick in it, and click finish. And it will go ahead and open up VirtualBox. So there you are, guys. That's how you go ahead and install VirtualBox. Nice and easy, click, 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 click process. So now that we've gone ahead and installed VirtualBox, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your own Linux virtual machine. So thanks for watching this video, guys. You've now got VirtualBox installed on your machine. Let's go ahead and set you up with Linux.